Hello, this is Jack at Jack's Transmissions. Thank you for viewing our product. Today what we're looking at are the 3/4 shift forks for the focusst ST and RS. Now the factory fork has these nylon pads, as you can see, and the nylon isn't very durable. What will happen is it'll smear in the synchro sleeve and wear down, and basically to the point where there's nothing but metal showing. And when it wears down to that point, the shifter will feel loose and the trans can pop out of gear. It can kill the synchro, cause damage to the unit pretty easily. It's a flawed design. So what we did is we thoughtfully engineered these using this awesome machine here to build these pads ourselves. They're an all bronze pad, chamfered on the edges and everything. We even did a little bronze weld there for you to hold them in place for easy install. We've been making these for years, but now we're making them more available to the public. The fork comes as you see it. It's just a drop in and go affair, and it's designed to last the life of the vehicle. So yeah, there's our logo. Don't need the coolant through most of it, but we turn the coolant on for the final pass to make it a nice smooth surface just for looks. Now it's going to do a tool change. So again, this is just for finishing the part to make it look nice and feel nice. We're taking the sharp edges off the corners of these. These are shift fork pads.